Technically, I never repaired one of these 20-volt batteries. So this is my first one that went bad. And it just wouldn't charge. I think it acted like it was charged on the charger. It's kind of strange. So I disassembled, I tested each of the cells. I thought I had documented this, but I don't see a video. I tested all the cells, and this front one was way low. And so I removed that and when it recharged. And so I put a new Dyson battery. And oddly, all my Dyson batteries from one of the packs I disassembled, they originally were all good and only one was bad. I went to check again, only one was good and all were not testing, like they went open. So anyways, I replaced the good one into here, and then I individually charged each cell and put it back on the charger, and it was saying it was already charged. I was like, oh no, not again. Well, I used and wore it down. Then I recharged, and it recharged okay. So it's another save. All right.